my rice. Hello guys, how are you? That's my rice. I'm going to harvest this maybe tomorrow. Yeah, celery and tomato, and I'm going to plant radish here. Come up. I'm going to prepare this plot. Lots of ants in here.
I didn't see an ant. Whee! Whee! This is the radish that mommy's gonna plant over here. Yeah, there's so many ants. Ouch. Look over there.
Now, I'm gonna plant now.
Radish. Yeah. The first one that mommy planted here, it's not gold. What is this? Oh, maybe watch this one. Maybe this is a gold. So, I saw this. Oh, Gipa-video ko, mami. Oh my God.
Just follow.
So this is that
Little baby radish.
baby radish. Again, what is this? Maybe I don't. What's this? Maybe this is a gold. I told you.
Blurred na to ako.
Okay, my hand is very bad. You see this snail over there? Oh. So, this is calamunga tree, joke. Okay, that is calamunga tree. And, yeah. Did I don't know. That is tomato. Whee! So yeah, you must get some spoon so you can dig a little hole. Don't use your hand because your hand will be dirty. Am I right? No, where is it? Ouch. So now again I saw something. Yeah, it's like phobia. But it's a, that is farm. It's a rock that we got in on sea. Bye bye. Okay, maybe I'll get this away. Ouch, 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 ouch. Someone ate me. So yeah, look at this. I saw something. It's an what this called, mommy? This is a money peanut. The mommy plant first at this area, and we eat in it. So look, I got two now. I just saw it over here. So yeah, there's another one up there. Maybe later I'll collect them. So yeah, I thought they were just only small peanuts up there, but there are many. I saw two of them. So this is a cute tree. I thought it's a peanut. It's not a peanut. So yeah. The ants is marching now. Look, the ants is marching. They have parades. Is that all? Parades. So yeah. Oh yeah, this is on peanut too, but it's just only shell.